Alright, so I want to do just a really simple meditation on listening. And yeah, I think this is a really simple practice, but it's also a really powerful practice. It can really expand your awareness, quieten the mind, and totally transform your feeling and your experience of your whole day. So when you're ready, just gently closing your eyes. Just bring your attention to sounds and listening to all the different sounds that you can hear right now. Might notice some loud sounds, and also noticing the quiet sounds. Noticing sounds that are close to you, might be your own breathing. Noticing the most distant sounds, the most distant sounds you can hear. So just simply listening. There's nothing else you need to do right now. Just listening. Allow that listening to be totally effortless. Simply listening. Just noticing whatever you can hear right now. Beautiful. So when you're ready, just gently opening your eyes. And see if you can keep a bit of that presence, that opening, listening presence, and bring it into your day. Yeah, and if you like this listening meditation, I'll link this video up to a more detailed or a longer meditation I did on simply listening if you're interested. Alright, let's move on to the next meditation.